In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all messages on Discord server. So open up your Discord. So there are two ways you can actually do this. So if you're in a server and you love to delete all your messages you have sent in the server, so I'm going to open up, let me say, one of these channels. So I'm going to open up this Christian server. So I'm going to come on here from general. So what you need to do, come on here and search for your name. So you need to type in how to do. So this is it. So you're going to be able to see your name. So tap on the search, tap on this. You're going to come on here from this option. So yeah, so this is from a specific person, so tap on it. Okay, let me say I want to delete the message of Levi now. So you're going to be able to see all the person's messages. So these are Levi messages. So let me just still go back. So go to the server, go to the general, come on here from the search, type in the person, or let me see, like type in your name. So you can just type in your name, John. So you're going to be able to see all the messages from John. So you can see messages. So these are the messages. So if you don't want to do this on the server, you can do that as well on your own server. So it's very straightforward here. Just hold on to it, delete the message. So it's very straight to the point. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.